Hello student, this is the ninth part of compound angles. Today also I am going to explain some interesting problems based on the concept of compound angles in trigonometry. Yeah. Our first problem, in a triangle ABC, tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2 are in HP, then prove that minimum value of cot B by 2 is root 3. Okay. So, given tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2 are in harmonic progression. If A, B, C are in harmonic progression, the reciprocals 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in arithmetic progression. Reciprocal of tan A by 2 is cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are in AP. Yeah, since I will write here, if A, B, C are in HP, then 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. So that is the concept for the problem. Okay. So 1 by A means 1 by tan A by 2 means that is cot A by 2. 1 by tan B by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2. Okay. Yeah. Next. If A, B, C are in AP, then 2 times of B equal A plus BC only. That is 2 cot B by 2 should be equal to cot A by 2 plus cot C by 2. This is result of number 1. In bracket, if A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, then 2 times of B should be equal to A plus. Okay. We want to find the minimum value of cot B by 2. Minimum value of cot B by 2 means we want to show that cot B by 2 is lesser than or equal to root 3. The value of cot B by 2 value equal to root 3 or greater than root 3. Then I can say that minimum value is root 3 only. So it is better to prove that cot B by 2 is greater than or equal to root 3. Okay. Yeah, what I got 2 cot beta by 2 equal to cot A by 2 plus cot C by 2. Okay, Nana? Observe all of you. In triangle ABC, A plus B plus C equal to pi. A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equal to pi by 2. Okay. Yeah, next. Cot of A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equal to sigma cot A by 2 minus pi cot A by 2 by 1 minus sigma cot A by 2 into cot B by 2. This is the formula of cot of A plus B plus C. Okay, instead of A by 2 plus B by 2, C by 2, what I can write? 90 degree I can write cot pi by 2 equal to sigma cot A by 2 minus pi cot A by 2 by 1 minus sigma cot A by 2 into cot B by 2. Obviously, cot pi by 2 0 only, cos pi by 2 by sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 1, cos pi by 2 0. So, 0 is equal to sigma cot A by 2 equal to pi cot, sigma cot A by 2 minus pi cot A by 2 by 1 minus sigma cot A by 2 into cot B by 2. Students, yeah, 0 equal to a by b means a must should 0 only. So what is the meaning of that? This implies sigma cot a by 2 minus pi cot a by 2 equal to 0. That is cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2 equal to cot a by 2 into cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. Okay. Yeah, student. So this can be written as cot b by 2 plus cot a by 2 plus cot c by 2 equal to cot a by 2 into cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. Okay. So from the equation 1, instead of this, I can write 2 cot b. So instead of cot a by 2 plus cot c by 2, I can write 2 cot b by 2. That I will write here. Cot b by 2 plus 2 cot b by 2 equal to cot a by 2 into cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. So this is 3 cot b by 2 equal to cot a by 2 into cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. Student, I can cancel these two because cot b by 2 never 0, because b by 2 is the one of the angle of the triangle. That's why cot b by 2 never 0. I can cancel. So what I got here, Nana, 3 equal to cot a by 2 into cot c by 2. Okay. Now what we should prove? Cot b by 2 is greater than or equal to root 3. That is our plan. For this, I want to use AM-GM inequality, Nana. From AM greater than or equal to GM, A plus B by 2 greater than or equal to root over AB for positive A and B. Obviously, I can apply AM-GM inequality for cot A by 2 and cot C by 2. Here A by 2 and C by 2 are obviously acute angles only. Nana. Even though any one of the angles is obtuse, the half of them is obtuse only. That's why cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2, all are acutes are positive. Now I can apply AM-GM inequality for cot A by 2 and cot C by 2. Okay. Okay. Now instead of A, I want to take cot A by 2. Instead of B, I want to take cot C by 2. So what I can write? Cot A by 2 plus cot C by 2 by 2 greater than or equal to root over cot A by 2 into cot B by 2. Okay. Already cot A by 2, cot B by 2 value is 3 na. So cot A by 2 plus cot C by 2 by 2 is greater than or equal to root 3. I can write. So I can say this is result number 2 from 2. Okay. So instead of cot A by 2 plus cot C by 2, I can write 2 cot B by 2 by 2 greater than or equal to root 3 from 1. So finally what happened, Anna? Cot B by 2 greater than or equal to root 3. Therefore, minimum value of cot B by 2 is root 3. So this one only you want to prove now. Okay. Observe now. ABC are angles of a triangle. Tan A by 2, tan B, tan C in HP. then prove that the minimum value of cot B by 2 is root 3. Okay. So how I proved nana? Tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2 HP. Automatically cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot in AP. So 2 times of cot B by 2 equal cot A by 2 plus cot B. This is equation number 1. Okay. Now in a triangle ABC, A plus B plus C equal to pi only, or A by 2 plus B by 2 C plus pi by 2 only. Okay. So after that, I applied cot on the other side, cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2. Yes, here. Cot of A by 2 plus B by 2 C by 2 equal to sigma cot A by 2 minus pi cot A by 2 by 1 minus sigma cot A by 2 cot B by 2. I simplified, I got 0, means this must should 0, means what happened, sigma cot A by 2 minus pi cot A by 2 equal 0, means cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 equal cot A by 2 to cot B cot C by 2. Instead of cot A by 2 plus cot C by 2, I can have 2 cot B by 2. 2 cot B by 2 plus B by 2, 3 cot B by 2 equal to cot A by 2 into cot B by 2 cot C by 2. Cot B by 2, cot B by 2 get cancel. 3 equal to cot A by 2 into cot C by 2. Now I applied AMG inequality for cot A by 2 and cot C by 2. Then I got the result. Okay, here. So cot B by 2 is greater than root 3. Minimum value of cot B by 2 is root 3. Yeah, our next problem, second problem, students, here. Again, A plus B plus C equal to pi. Then show that cot A plus cot B plus cot C minus cosec A into cosec B into cosec C equal to cot A into cot B into cot C. Okay. Okay, students. First of all, I wanted given data. Given that A plus B plus C equal to pi. One thing. Yeah. What should prove? I will take LHS. I will simplify something, Nana. So cot A plus cot B plus cot C minus cosec A into cosec B into cosec C. This is LHS actually. So cos A by sin A plus cos B by sin B plus cos C by sin C minus 1 by sin A into 1 by sin B into 1 by sin C. Just I want to take LCM as sin A into sin B into sin C here. Okay, students, listen. Sin A into sin B into sin C. What will get Nana here? Cos A into sin B sin C plus cos B into sin A sin C plus cos C into sin A sin B. Okay, minus 1. This is same as, so I will write the formula of cos of A plus B plus C, students, here. Cos of A plus B plus, okay. Do one thing, yeah, take this is the equation number 1. So cos of A plus B plus C formula I want to write. Cos of A plus B plus C equal to sigma cos A sin B sin C. Oh, not like that. First pi cos A minus sigma cos A into sin B sin C. Okay, now do one thing. Make a sigma cos A sin B sin C as subject. Sigma cos A into sin B into sin C equal to pi cos A minus cos of A plus B plus C. Next page I will write sigma cos A into sin B sin C equal to pi cos A minus cos 180 degree. A plus b plus given pi minus cos pi I can write. Okay. This is pi cos A plus 1 because cos pi is minus 1 minus plus 1. So value of sigma cos A sin B sin C value what I got? Pi cos A plus 1. Second equation. Now first equation becomes the first equation. What is the same thing? No? Sigma of cos A sin B sin C only that one. So I will write that. First equation what nana? Sigma cos A sin B sin C minus 1 by sin A sin B sin C. Sin A into sin B into sin C. So instead of this, now I can write pi cos A plus 1 according to equation number 1. Okay, so implies pi cos A plus 1, already here minus 1 is there, by sin A sin B sin C. Sin A into sin B into sin C. What I can say? From 2. Okay. So 1 and 1 get cancelled. Pi cos A means what another one? Cos A into cos B into cos C by sin A into sin B into sin C. This is nothing but cot A into cot B into cot C. So cot C. Actually what do you want? I want cross sec. Should be equal to cot A into cot B cot C. That only you got. That is RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. So completed. Okay. Okay students, just A plus B plus C is given as a pi. Okay. After that what I did? I took LHS, cot A, cot B, cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Cosec A, cosec B, cosec C. I convert all in terms of sines and coses. After that what I got? Cos A sin B sin something minus 1 by cos sin A sin B sin C, equation 1. So already you know the formula of cos of A plus B plus C, that is pi cos A minus sigma cos A into sin B sin C. So instead of A plus B plus I substituted pi, we will get minus 1. From that we got the value of sigma cot A cot B cot C. I substituted that here. Okay. So what I got, I can show here, it is minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Pi cos A by sin A into sin B into sin C. Pi cos A means cos A into cos B into cos C by sin A into sin B sin C. That is nothing but cot A into cot B into cot C. That only the required RHS. I hope you people understood now. So our next question, interesting question. Here also given A plus B plus C equal to pi and cot theta equal to cot A plus cot B plus cot C. From this we want to put that sin of A minus theta into sin of B minus theta into sin of C minus theta equal to sin cube theta. So how to make a plan? That is important thing. That just to you want to convert this in terms of sines and coses, then we will get the result. Okay. For important note students, important note. Tan A plus tan B should be remembered as sin of A plus B by cos A cos B. I will show you how you got this. Should remember, no? This can be written as sin A by cos A plus cos A by cos B, sin B by cos B. Here cos A cos B LCM. What will get done? Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. This is nothing but sin of A plus B only. That's why sin of A plus B by cos A cos B. So that's why tan A plus tan B should be remembered as sin of A plus B by cos A cos B. This is one thing. Second one, tan A minus tan B should be remembered as sin of a minus b by cos a cos b. Similar manner we will get the result. These two results should remember. Next result, third result. Cot A plus cot B. Yeah, remembered as what is that, Nana? Sin of A plus B by sin A sin B. Tan A plus tan B remembered as sin of A plus B by cos A cos B. But cot A plus cot B remembered as sin of A plus B by sin A sin B. I will show you how we will get that. This is cos A by sin A plus cos B by sin B. Here sin A sin B LCM. So what happened, Nana? Cos A sin B plus cos B cos A. Sin A. So this is nothing but sin of B plus A. Sin of B plus A or sin of A plus both are same. That's what I get. Sin of A plus B by sin A sin B. Okay, should remember like that. Fourth result also important. Cot A minus cot B should be remembered as sin of B minus C by sin B into sin C. Don't confuse A, B, I will write here A, here I will write A. That is a big issue. Cot A minus cot B by cot A minus cot B remembered as sin of B minus A by sin B sin A. Easy one. Okay. So again I can prove it, Nana. So this is cos A by sin A minus cos B by sin B. LCM is sin A sin B. Cos A sin B minus sin A cos B. Sin first, no? Sin B cos A minus sin B, sin of B minus A. That's why cot A minus cot B remembered as sin of B minus A by sin B sin A. So that concept I want to use here, students. That's why what I am doing here, cot theta minus cot C. Any one of the terms should be transferred to left hand side. So next, as it is, cot A plus cot B. Just now explain, this can be written as sin of C minus theta by sin C into sin theta. This can be written as sin of A plus B by sin A into sin B. Okay, as it is, right, sin of C minus theta by sin C into sin theta equal to, students, so instead of sin of A plus B, sin of A plus B is pi minus C only, because A plus B plus C equal to 180, A plus B plus C equal to pi. So instead of A plus B I can write pi minus C. Sin of 180 minus sin theta only, sin C I can write directly. Sin of pi minus C by sin A into sin B. Next page I will write that. Yeah. Sin of C minus theta by sin C into sin theta equal to sin C by sin A into sin B. Okay. So here I want to make sin of C minus theta subject. Sin of C minus theta equal to sin square C into sin theta by sin A into sin A into sin B. I can say this is result number 1. What do you want actually? Sin of A minus theta into sin of B minus theta into sin of C minus theta. So I got sin of C minus theta. Similarly, remaining things I can write. Similarly,
sin of a minus theta equal to sin square a into sin theta by a after bc, means sin b into sin c. Result number 2. Next, sin of a b minus theta equal to sin square b into sin theta by sin a into sin c. This is third result. So I want to multiply 1, 2, 3. 1 into 2 into 3 gives sin of a minus theta into sin of b minus theta into sin of c minus theta is equal to sin square a into sin theta by sin b into sin c into sin square b into sin theta by sin a into sin c into sin square c into sin theta by sin a into sin b. Should say some cancellation. Sin b into sin b, sin square b, and the sin square b cancel. Sin c into sin c, sin square c, the sin square c cancel. Sin into sin, sin square a cancel. So what is the left means sin theta, sin theta, sin theta, sin cube theta. So finally, sin cube theta. So finally what I can write now here? Sin of a minus theta into sin of b minus theta into sin of c minus theta equal to sin cube theta. I think this only you want. Okay. So finally what I can say, hence proved. Okay. Yeah, our next problem students. If the sum of 4 angles equal to pi, let the 4 angles B, A comma B comma C and D given their summation is 180. A plus B plus C plus D equal to 180 degree or pi radian, whatever it may be. Both are same meaning, no problem, pi radian. So this is one result. Okay, so now what we should prove? Prove that the sum of the product of their cosines taken together is equal to the sum of the product of their sines taken similarly. So for example, A, B, C, D are 4 angles. From these 4, we want to choose 2 at a time. 4 and 2. 4C 2 ways you can choose. 4C 2 means 6 ways you can choose. I will show you none. One is AB, AC, AD, BC, BD and CD. So 6. What he asking? What you want to prove? So I will show you. Cos A into cos B plus cos A into cos C plus cos A into cos D plus cos B into cos C plus cos B into cos C. So I think A, B, C, D, no, A, B, A, C, A, D, B, C, B, D, this one. Okay. So what I can say, cos D, yeah, plus cos C into cos D equal to same sin A into sin B plus sin A into sin C plus sin A into sin D plus sin B into sin C plus sin B into sin D plus sin C into sin D. That should prove nana. Okay, I will write that. Okay. required to prove. A, B, C, D. AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD. Okay, I will write. Cos A, cos B plus cos A, cos C plus cos A, cos D plus cos B, cos C plus cos B, cos D plus cos C, cos D equal to same. These 6 terms: sin A, sin B plus sin A, sin C plus sin A, sin D plus sin B, sin C plus sin B, sin D plus sin C, sin D. Sin D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This should prove Nana. For that, what I am doing, observe here. A plus B plus C plus D equal to pi, or A plus B is equal to pi minus C plus D, or cos of A plus B equal to cos of pi minus C plus D, or cos of A plus B equal to minus cos of C plus D. Okay, students. So what I can write here? Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B equal to minus of cos C, cos D minus sin C, sin D, or this is same as cos A, cos B. I can write like this: cos A, cos B plus cos C, cos D equal to sin A, sin B plus sin C, sin D. Okay, this is one of the important results. So I can say the second result. Students, important. Now listen. First of all, what I did, A plus B plus C plus D equal to pi, no? I transferred the sum of C plus to right hand side. A plus B equal to pi minus of C plus D. So cos of A plus B equal to minus cos of C plus D CD. From this you got result AB CD combination you got. Similarly, if I A plus B plus C plus D equal pi, no? If I keep A plus C to left hand side and B plus D that is sent to right hand side, so what we will get, I will write an A plus C equal to cos of A plus C equal to minus cos of B plus D. In this case, what we get, Nana? AC combined with BD. Cos A, cos B plus cos C, cos D equal to sin A, sin B, sin A, sin C plus sin B, sin D. Okay. So next thing, students, A plus B plus C plus D equal to pi. Then I will write B plus C sent to right hand side. Then A plus D equal to pi minus of B plus C. In this case, what will get, Nana? AD combination with BC combination. Means cos A, cos D plus cos B, cos C equal to sin A, sin D plus sin B, sin C. Like that. Next step, A plus B plus C plus D equal to pi, no? I will keep these two at AB, AC, AD comes, no, BC. B plus C equal to pi minus of A plus D. From here what will get, Nana? BC and AD combination. Cos B cos C plus cos A cos D equal to sin B sin C plus sin A sin D. Like that you will get all the result. We need to add all, then you get the required result. Okay. So I will write similarly, Nana. I don't want to waste time. Similarly, I will write AB combination completed, no? Next AC combination, AC with BD. Next AD combination with BC. Next BC combination, AD. Okay. Next BD combination, AC. A, B, C, D. Yeah, first AB combination, CD. After that AC, AD, BC, BD. Next CD, last CD combination with AB. What the meaning of that I will write down here actually. So what will get down here? Cos A into cos C plus I will write directly, I will write plus cos B into cos D, cos A into cos D plus just you want to write cos. Okay, so what happened? Results. So sin A sin C plus sin B sin D. Result number 3. Sin A sin D plus sin B sin C. Result number 4. Sin B sin C plus sin A sin D. Result number 5. Okay. Sin B sin D plus sin A sin C. Result number 6. Sin C sin D plus sin A sin B. This is the number 7. Okay. So adding 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, we will get which one? This one I can say this result, some K result I can say. Then we will get result K. Okay. Not here, K means down should write. Actually, not here, Nana. Here.